Hello everyone, welcome to Competitive Square Online Classes Barampur. In this video, I will do the current affairs of 7 July. As usual, first yesterday's current affairs MCQ, then today's current affairs, then one state we will discuss. Let's start the MCQ question yesterday's. Which bank has decided to offer Jeep Drive instant auto loans customers in 1000 city across India? How much city? 1000 city. What it give? Auto loans to customer. Automatic loan will be given. The scheme is Jeep Drive. Which bank has decided? The answer is HDFC, Housing Development Financial Corporation. Housing Development Financial Corporation, established on 1994. Headquarter is Mumbai. Who is the present MD? Aditya Puri. Aditya Puri is the present MD of HDFC Bank. What is the tagline? Tagline is "We understand your world." We understand your world is the tagline of HDFC Bank. Listen one more thing. HDFC Bank sold its stake 1.01% stake to China's central bank. 'And acquired 6.43 stake from Reliance Jio. He acquired 6.43 stake from Reliance Jio. 1.01% stake sold to China's bank. Acquired 6.43 stake from Reliance Jio. Two more campaign he launched. First one is Summer Treat campaign. One is Summer Treats campaign and another one is Safety Grid campaign. Listen carefully. Safety Grid question will ask. Safety Grid campaign launched by which bank? Answer is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank launched one application named as, here I will write, E-Kisan Dhan application launched by HDFC Bank. He launched one song name is हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, composed by A.R. Rahman. Launched one song हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. HDFC Bank 1994. Headquarter is Mumbai. MD is Aditya Puri. We understand your world is tagline. Jeep Drive, which is auto loans for customers 100 city across 100 city. He acquired how much stake? 6.43% stake to Reliance Jio. He sold 1.01% stake to China Central Bank. Two more campaign. One is Summer Treat campaign and Safety Grid campaign. Next question. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, whose tenure has been extended, is the chairman of which organization? Answer is National Highway Authority. Tenure has been extended how many months? 6 months. 6 months extended. Who is the present chairman of Competition Commission of India? Chairman is Ashok Gupta. Ashok Gupta is the chairman of Competition Commission of India. Who is the chairman of Central Information Commission? Answer is Bimal Julka. It is Bimal Julka is the chairman of CIC, Airport Authority of India. Arvind Singh. Clear? Again I will repeat. 6 month tenure extended. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu. Competition Commission of India chairman Ashok Gupta. Central Information Commission is Bimal Julka. Airport Authority of India chairman is Arvind Singh. Clear? Name the former world #1 badminton player. Former, not now. Former. And the 2 times Olympic badminton champion from China. Who is he? Answer is Li Dan. Li Dan announced his retirement. He is from China. He related to which sports? Badminton. Question will ask. Lin Dan announced his retirement. He is related to which sports? Answer is badminton. He is from China. Who is the present ambassador of India to China? Answer is Vikram Misri. Vikram Misri. Vikram Misri is the India ambassador to China. China Central Bank acquired how much percent to HDFC Bank? 1.01% stake from HDFC Bank. Clear? Which state recently started इंतजार आपका campaign in order to attract tourist? In order to attract tourist, which state has started इंतजार आपका campaign? This one is campaign started to attract tourist. Which state started? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. 1st November 1956 is the statehood day. Who is the CM? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the CM. Governor is Lalji Tandon. Governor is Lalji Tandon. What? How much Lok Sabha seat? Lok Sabha seat 29. Rajya Sabha seat is 11. Clear? Madhya Pradesh. 1956 established. One more important campaign, that is Kill Corona campaign, launched by one is Kill Corona campaign, also launched by Madhya Pradesh government. Kill Corona campaign, and started two more scheme. One is Charana Paduka scheme, Jivan Shakti scheme, and you have to remember Jivan Amrut scheme also. Jivan Amrut scheme. Sanjeevani vehicle started. Sanjeevani vehicle. And started Hamara Vidyalaya Hamara Ghar. Sambal Yojana. FIR आपके द्वार. This scheme has started by Madhya Pradesh government. CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan. किल कोरोना, जीवन शक्ति, जीवन अमृत, संबल योजना, हमारा विद्यालय हमारा घर, एंड मुख्यमंत्री स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना also started by मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट. लोकसभा सीट 29, राज्यसभा सीट is 11. CBSE has partnered with which company to launch free and comprehensive program for teacher and student? Free and comprehensive program for teacher and students. CBSE partnered with which company for free and comprehensive program for teacher and student? CBSE partnered with which company? Answer is Facebook. CBSE established on 1962. Headquarter is New Delhi. Who is the head of CBSE? Chairman is Manoj Ahuja. CBSE chairman is Manoj Ahuja. You have to remember Facebook launched one cryptocurrency that is Libra. Started to campaign also. Facebook started two campaign. One is More Together campaign, and We Think Digital campaign. We Think Digital campaign. Remember, More Together campaign, We Think Digital campaign started by Facebook. Facebook acquired 9.99% stake from Jio. From Reliance Jio, Facebook acquired how much percent stake? 9.99% stake. He started one initiative called as Goal Initiative for tribal people. He started Goal Initiative. Also remember one more video chat application, that is Messenger Rooms started by Facebook. Remember cryptocurrency Libra, Messenger Room, one video chat, Goal Initiative, two more campaign, More Together campaign, that is one is We think digital campaign. Clear? Who is the author of the book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? Book's name is Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver. Who is the author? Answer is Urjit Patel. Recently, C. Rangarajan receives one award, that is first P.C. Mahalanobis Award. P.C. Mahalanobis Award. Who is P.C. Mahalanobis? He is the father of Indian statistics. Father of Indian statistics. In his birthday, we celebrated National Statistics Day. That is 29th June. 29th June celebrated as National Statistics Day. Remember one more question. World Statistics Day is October 20. October 20. Clear? Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver. The book name who launched? Urjit Patel. First, who is the father of Indian statistics? That is P.C. Mahalanobis. First P.C. Mahalanobis Award given C. Rangarajan. When World Statistics Day celebrated? October 20. Clear? Who won the Diana Award 2020? The Diana Award given by UK. He is the Princess of UK, the Diana. His name, for her name, UK given the Diana Award. Why? Because of social work and humanitarian effort by youngster. Social work and humanitarian effort by youngster. The Diana Award will be given. Who won the Diana Award? Answer is Freya Thakur for his application Recycler application. For his Recycler application, Freya Thakur received the Diana Award 2020. Clear? One more award, Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Commonwealth Short Story Prize given by Commonwealth nation. Headquarters is London. Commonwealth Short Story Prize winner is Kritika Pandey. For his book, what? For his book, The Great Indian Tea and Snacks. The Great Indian Tea and Snacks. Clear? The Great Indian Tea and Snacks. Kritika Pandey receives the Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Clear? Next question. Which color dustbin has been introduced by Indore Municipal Corporation for corona infected material? To take corona infected material, Indore Municipal Corporation, who is the cleanest city in 2019, Indore Municipal Corporation started one dustbin. Which color? That is yellow color. Yellow color dustbin introduced by Indore Municipal Corporation. One more thing you have to remember. IRCTC started third private train from Indore to Varanasi. Clear? From Indore to Varanasi, IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation started third private train from Indore to Varanasi. Clear? Next question. One more important. First drone sanitizing. Started in Indore. Very important question. First drone sanitizing system started in which city? Answer is Indore. First drone sanitizing system started in Indore. Color dustbin, which color? Yellow color. Municipality, Indore Municipality. Which state government has announced a monthly stipend of how much? 3,000 rupees to junior lawyers for 2 years overcome financial difficulties due to corona? Junior lawyers get 3,000 rupees. Which state decided? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu gives 3,000 rupees to junior lawyers for 2 years. Tamil Nadu, who is the number one producer now, is the number one producer of fish. Number one producer of fish after Gujarat. After Gujarat, Tamil Nadu becomes the number one producer of fish. One more thing you have to remember, Tamil Nadu government increases the government employee retirement age 58 to 59. 1 year extended. 1 year extended. Grand Anicut Dam. Grand Anicut Grand Anicut Dam, that is known as Kalanai Dam, that is Kalanai Dam, located in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu get 2 GI tag. First one is Tanjore native work. Tanjore native work got GI tag. Second one is Arumbabur wood carvings. He got the GI tag. Clear? He started one more scheme, that is Pilur Dam drinking water project. Very important. Pilur Dam drinking water project. Drinking water project started by Tamil Nadu government. Last question of the day. World UFO Day is observed every year on which date? On which date World UFO Day celebrated? UFO means unidentified flying object. Unidentified flying object day celebrated on which date? Answer is yes, 2nd July. In this date we will celebrate also one more day, that is Sports Journalist Day. Sports Journalist Day. Sports Journalist Day is 2nd July. 1, 2, 4. We cover July 1, July 2, July 4. July 2 is World UFO Day and Sports Journalist Day. 1 is Doctor's Day. July 1 is Doctor's Day. Chartered Account Day. Postal Workers Day. And one more, GST Day. And 4 is July 4 is World Cooperatives Day, International Cooperatives Day. Today's current affairs. Let's start the today's current affairs. India has been ranked 117th on the Sustainable Development Goal Index 2020. India ranked 117 in Sustainable Development Goal Index. Who is the top? Top country is Sweden. Sweden top. India ranked 170. Where? Sustainable Development Goal Index 2020. Next, Maharashtra Chief Minister, who is Uddhav Thackeray, has launched Mahajobs portal for unemployed local youth. For his unemployed local youth, Uddhav Thackeray started Mahajobs portal. Uddhav Thackeray started which portal? Mahajobs portal. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai. Statehood Day 1st May 1960. 1st May 1960. 1st May 1900, not November. 1st May 1960 is the Statehood Day of Maharashtra. Capital is Mumbai. Official language is Marathi. Famous dance is Lavani. Is the famous dance. You have to remember Lok Sabha seat and Rajya Sabha seat also. Lok Sabha seat is 48, Rajya Sabha seat is 19. 48, 19. Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Bhagat Singh Koshyari. He started also Mahaparvana scheme and Project Platina. Clear? One more thing here you have to remember, that is Shiv Bhojan scheme. One famous festival, that is Kala Ghoda festival also. Kala Ghoda festival started by, all things are started by Maharashtra government. Kala Ghoda festival. Lavani famous dance. Lok Sabha seat is 48, Rajya Sabha 19. Bhagat Singh Koshyari governor. Mahaparvana scheme, Project Platina, Shiv Bhojan scheme, Mahajabhostu portal started by, all are started by Uddhav Thackeray. World champion silver medalist Amit Poghal is ranked number 1 in the men 52 kg weight class according to the latest world ranking released by AIBA. According to AIBA, in 52 kg weight class, Amit Poghal becomes the number 1 boxing player. Amit Poghal becomes the number 1 boxing player. He is from Haryana. Where is the headquarters of AIBA? AIBA means International Boxing Association. Headquarters is Lausanne. President is Gafar Rakhinov, who is the president of AIBA. Headquarters is Lausanne. Clear? Amit Poghal becomes the number 1 boxing player in 52 kg weight class by AIBA. He is from Haryana. India's first social media super application Elements was launched by Vice President Venkaiah Naidu. This one is the first social media super application in India's governments. It was created by Bangalore based company. Bangalore based company, that is Sumeru Software Solution Limited. That is Sumeru Solution Software Limited. Sumeru Solution Software Limited created Elements app, that is India's very important application, launched by Venkaiah Naidu recently. It will included 8 languages. Yes Bank has announced the launch of loan in second. Very important question. Loan in 1 second. Instant loan disbursement facility. Which bank started loan in second? That is a disbursement facility. Yes Bank. Tagline is experience our expertise. Experience our expertise. It is established on 2004. Headquarters is Mumbai. Who is the chairman? Chairman is Sunil Mehta. Sunil Mehta is the chairman of Yes Bank. Tagline is experience our expertise. He started a loan facility, that is loan in 1 second. Former Corporate Affairs Secretary Injit Srinivas has been appointed as the first chairman of International Financial Services Centers Authority. Injit Srinivas, who was the former Corporate Affairs Secretary, appointed as the first chairman of International Financial Service Centers Authority. International Finance Service Centers Authority's chairman was Injit Srinivas. Clear? He was the Corporate Affairs Secretary, former Corporate Affairs Secretary. Who is the present Corporate Affairs Secretary? That is Rajesh Verma. Clear? Rajesh Verma is the present Corporate Affairs Secretary. Who is the Foreign Secretary? Who is the Foreign Secretary? Answer is H.B. Sringla. Very important question. Foreign Secretary is H.B. Sringla. Who is the Economic Affairs Secretary? Economic Affairs Secretary is Tarun Bajaj. Tarun Bajaj is Economic Affairs Secretary. Who is the Defense Secretary? Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar is the Defense Secretary. Defense Secretary is Ajay Kumar. Clear? Union government has sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees. How much rupees? 4,000 crore rupees under Atmanirbhar program launched by Modi to improve infrastructure for the food parks in Karnataka. To improve infrastructure for the food parks in Karnataka under the Atmanirbhar program, Union government sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees to Karnataka. Clear? Union government sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees to develop infrastructure project for food parks in Karnataka. Clear? First lichen park. One more question. First lichen park launched at Munsiyari. First lichen park launched at Munsiyari, that is in Uttarakhand. First monkey park of India. First monkey park, that is in Shimoga. Where is it? That is in Karnataka. Shimoga, Karnataka. First space park means that is space technology park. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. There is first technology park. One more thing you have to remember, that is largest biodiversity park. Largest biodiversity park is in Haldwani, Uttarakhand. Again I will repeat. Lichen park, Munsiyari. First monkey park, Shimoga. First space technology park, Thiruvananthapuram. Largest biodiversity park, Haldwani, which is in Uttarakhand. Union government sanctioned how much crore? 4,000 crore. All India Radio broadcast its first ever news magazine program in Sanskrit. All India Radio started news magazine. That magazine name is Sanskrit Saptahiki, which is launched by All India Radio. One more question. World Radio Day is World Radio Day, that is February 13. World Radio is February 13. Theme is Radio and Biodiversity. Radio and Biodiversity is the theme this year, 2020 World Radio Day. One more day you have to remember, that is National Public Service and Broadcasting Day. National Public Service and Broadcasting Day. National Public Service and Broadcasting Day, that is on 12 November. Why this in this date? In this day, M.K. Gandhi visit All India Radio. In this day, Mahatma Gandhi visited first timely All India Radio. So, in that day, we will celebrate National Public Service Broadcasting Day. Clear? IRDAI has set up a committee under the chairmanship of G. Srinivasan to examine surety bonds for road contracts. IRDAI set up a committee to examine the bond. For road contracts. IRDAI set up a committee. Who is the chairman in this committee? G. Srinivasan is the chairman of this committee. IRDAI, full form is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Headquarters is Hyderabad. Who is the head of IRDAI? Subhash Chandra Khuntia. is the head of IRDA. Again I will repeat, IRDA set up a committee to examine surety bonds for road contracts. In this committee, G. Srinivasan is the chairman. IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, headquarters is Hyderabad, chairman is Subhash Chandra Khuntia. Last question of the last current affairs of the day. Legendary Italian composer Ennio Morricone has passed away recently. He was 91. Question will ask, Ennio Morricone has passed away recently. He was from which country? The answer is Italy. Clear? Italian composer Ennio Morricone, who won Grammy Award, Emmy Award also. Clear? Ennio Morricone is from Italy. He passed away recently. He was at 91. Now start. State Gujarat. Capital is Gandhinagar. Constituency Amisa constituency. Statehood day 1st May 1960. Separate Maharashtra. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. Governor Acharya Devvrat. 1st May 1960. Vijay Rupani, Acharya Devvrat. Total district 30. Lok Sabha seat 26. Rajya Sabha seat 11. 33, 26, 11. Again I'll repeat. 33, 26, 11. 33, 26, 11. 33, 26, 11. High Court, Gujarat High Court. Chief Justice Bikram Nath. Very important. Who is the Chief Justice of Gujarat? Answer is Bikram Nath. Border state Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Here is the Gujarat. Here is Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Clear? Black Buck National Park, Gir Forest National Park, Bhansta National Park and Meren National Park. Black Buck, Gir Forest, Bhansta, Meren National Park located in Gujarat. Black Buck National Park, question last. Black Buck National Park located in which state? Answer is Gujarat. And remember, Badda Wildlife Sanctuary, Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary, Balram Ambaji Wildlife Sanctuary, Mitiala Wildlife Sanctuary. Badda, Kutch Desert, Balram Ambaji, Mitiala. Badda, Kutch Desert, Balram Ambaji, Mitiala. Black Buck, Gir Forest, Bhansta Meren. Black Buck, Gir Forest, Bhansta Meren is the national park of Gujarat. Clear? This was the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Competitive Square. Thank you.